Hi, this is Jason. I'll walk you around this Transit Custom today. So for sale here at Roywood Transits, we've got a Ford Transit Custom. It's a limited series. It's the L2H1, so 300, 1 ton payload, long wheelbase, low roof. Metallic black, October registered 2021 on a 71 plate with 20,000 miles, so great condition van, long warranty. Limited series gives you nice extras already: metallic paint, alloy wheels, colour coding, aircon, front and rear parking sensors. This one also has a rear park camera and the 230 volt charger as well. So warranty until end of October 2024. So nice long Ford warranty, only 20,000 miles, so plenty left on that too. We go into the cab. So excellent condition you'd expect for the age and miles. Thatcham Cat 1 alarm. Nice tech on the dashboard, so reverse park camera with your front and rear parking sensors as well. Back to your stereo, you've got DAB, Bluetooth audio, standard AM, FM, heated seats, aircon and your heater system. If you plug your smartphone into the van, then you get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto up, so you can use maps off your phone through the van. Nice feature. Traction control, parking sensors, engine eco mode. 20,718 miles. Got your steering wheel computer controls too, controlling your Bluetooth audio. Automatic headlights, front and rear fogs, electric windows, mirrors, folding mirrors as well. Pull the mirror switch in, mirrors fold in, same thing in reverse, they fold back out for you. It's a nice feature. So 2.8 meters on the load length on the floor. Load area protector kit, so you've got the nice washable load liner on the floor and then ply to the sides, doors, wheel boxes. 4 bright LED lights. Side door to the near side. Full bulkhead with the load through flap option. So you can get up over 3 meters underneath the passenger seat, no problem. Vehicle's in stock today. If you'd like any more details, specific images, or if you'd like to book a viewing or a test drive, you're more than welcome. Give me a call in the office please, 0118 979 0060. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.